Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you especially for the new player that just joined the Call of Duty mobile game. So this is the practice mode that you can train yourself or hone your skill in this game. So what you need to do is click multiplayer at the bottom of your screen. Click the game mode detail or game mode selection. So there are some feature in here. In practice mode, there are training mode, single player map training, practice versus AI, and also boot camp. So for you who want to train the future or the game, the core game, there are some map that you can practice in here in single player map training. If you want to train SND or search and destroy mode, you can try this: team deathmatch, frontline domination, and hardpoint. You can pick one of it and one of them. uh, so for example, let's try search and destroy mode. Click confirm. Let's get start the single map training. So in this mode you can practice search and destroy. Attacker plant bomb. This is the detail, the information about this mode. So click. So in this practice mode, you are the only player in here, but you can add a computer or you can add bot by clicking this uh, yellow tools. So you can see this is a bot parameter. You can apply by easy, normal, or hard bot. Let's try applied bot. And you can play with computer in here, practice shooting also with enemy. So give it a try. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click text button below. Enjoy the game.